When you're a founder in the world of blockchain, you sleep a lot less. We all know that, right? Today, as a founder of a blockchain company, you need to make a lot of decisions. I mean, every founder of any company needs to make a lot of decisions, but when you're a founder with a blockchain, it means that one day equals to 7 days in the normal world. NFT, DeFi, crypto, the world of blockchain every day as news. I don't know, McDonald's just entered the world of blockchain, Coinbase just announced they're going to take on OpenSea, opening their NFT marketplace, now offer staking and people can stake IDEXO and they can get USDT in return. A lot of things are happening, man, and I think that we need to talk about why CEO need advice. CEO need an advisor that is going to help them to make the right decision. You are a founder of a company which just raised around $500,000. How do you choose the right member of your team? How do you vet people that are entering or that are already working in the world of blockchain? Here at Colivium Valley, we are making sure that you make the best decisions every single day. We try to put you one step closer to your goal. Contact us here if you want some help. Ciao.